Hey, what are you doing, bud? Hey, come on in. Welcome to Arrowhead Garage. This is your first time here. I'm restoring a 1967 Firebird 400 that I went and rescued out of Oklahoma back in September of 2020. My brother passed away, and the family didn't want to get rid of the car, so they let me come and grab it and restore it. And this has been the journey. And today, I want you to go with me because I think today's the day that this car will run for the first time with a poncho motor in it in 25, 30, maybe even 40 years. It sat out in Oklahoma from like 95, 96 until 2020. So I pulled the old motor out, put this poncho motor in. If you haven't been watching, there'll be a playlist over here or over there or somewhere you can follow along. So with that, why don't you hop in the car with me? Let's go get some gas in a can. We'll put the gas in this Firebird, and we'll see if we can't get this thing to at least move under her own power a few times up and down the driveway and celebrate finally her driving for the first time in, like I said, who knows, 20, 30 years, maybe even 40 years. So with that, let's go get some gas. All right, we're gonna put some gas in here. Firebird. We're about ready to start this thing. Oh yeah. All right, we got ourselves 5 gallons. Let's put it in the back of the Pontiac, and let's go fill up the other Pontiac. Oh yeah. All right, let's go ahead and put some gas in this bird for the first time in over a year. All right. Well, let's go ahead and get ourselves a little funnel here. See what we can do. Pour ourselves in some gas. Whoop. I'd say that's probably about 3 gallons. That's probably about 3 gallons. That'd be enough to get us started. All right. See what happens. All right, got a few little things here. We're gonna put this air cleaner back on. Hey, and did you notice the new sweatshirt I'm wearing? New shirts, new sweatshirts, new kind of a design on the logo. There's a link down below. Buy yourself some merch. I appreciate it. Okay, that's on. Let's move the camera. Let's fire this puppy up and keep your fingers crossed. Here we go. Little test. We're gonna pull it forward and then back it up. I don't have the throttle cable hooked up just yet. All right, I'm gonna try to back it up, okay? Oh man, guys, I am so excited that we're gonna drive, at least get this 67 Firebird moving on its own. Even the shop dog is happy about this. If you remember, we picked this car up and Jonathan came out from Vinyl Village Garage, helped me take off that rotted out Swiss cheese roof. We welded on a new roof. We've done so much. The whole front suspension's been redone. The whole rear suspension's been redone. We got new wheels for it, new tires for it. There's still so much to do, but little by little, we're getting it done. I'm super excited. Oh man, that was so much fun. But we got another problem here. I got a major transmission leak, and I'm betting it's probably that seal on the input shaft there. Yay, that means something. Still have a lot to do. I need to get an alignment for these wheels. You can see well, there's kind of straight, and then that's not kind of straight. So I got to fix that. We got to button down, just make sure all the specs are right for the bars that go across, and in the back we have to take care of those as well. But other than that, that's our biggest issue right there. Next week is the last car show in Phoenix, Arizona for 2022. And I told my buddy Jeff, I said, I will have the Firebird at this car show. It'll look like this. It won't be pretty, but I'll have it at the car show. So, winning. All right, guys. I know it's a short video for this Firebird Friday, but if you've been with me for any amount of time, you know this has been a labor of love. I'm a Porsche guy at heart. You know, I've got 67 Porsche 912 that I have. That I'm currently rebuilding the motor on that. But I've been a Porsche guy my whole life. So when the opportunity came up to take on my oldest brother's car, I had to go and buy normal tools, standard American tools, and a metric to work on this. It has been a challenge. It's been a learning experience. I am super grateful for everyone that subscribed and watched. Super grateful for guys like John from Vinyl Village Garage, Louis from First Generation Garage. Those guys have been a tremendous help when I reached out and said, explain this. Why is this like this? Why is that that? Those guys have been amazing. If you're not subscribers to their channel, there's links down below. Go subscribe to both of their channels. With that, we still have a lot more to do on this car. Interior, body work, a ton of stuff. There's more things we have to do. We have to deal with that leak on the transmission as well. So lots more to come. Lots more Firebird Fridays to come for you guys. But it's driving, and I'm hoping next weekend for our video for on the 23rd, the day before, 2 days before Christmas, we'll have one more video, and maybe we can show off the car show, show us driving the car around a little bit, get some perspective. That should be awesome if I can pull that video off for next Friday. So with that, guys, I'm going to shut it down. Have a good night. Thank you so much. I appreciate all 13,000 of you Firebird crazy people and Porsche people who've subscribed to the channel. I hope you have a amazing Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Kwanzaa, what's the other one? Hanukkah. You know, you do you and have fun doing it and be safe. And I will see you hopefully next Friday for another video on this at a car show, the first of many to come. And we got plans because in 2023, I promised John from Vinyl Village Garage I would drive this back east for Firebird Fest, and I think that's in May. And who knows, I may even go to No Name Nationals in this car and see how that works out. So with that, guys, thank you so much. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, hit that like button, share the video with your friends. There are t-shirts and hats. We got hats going on. And yeah, the hair's getting long. I'm kind of going back. I used to have long hair. All my brothers had long hair, and so I'm kind of pulling back on that energy. I'm gonna shut up because I'm excited. I'm stoked. I'm energized by getting to drive this car, and I'm looking forward to next weekend to getting to drive it to a car show. So, yes. All right, shutting it down. Have a good day. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next Friday. Thank you so much, and Firebird Fridays.